Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a what's in my kids Easter basket, rather what's in my kids Easter bucket. I got it right here. Most everything in here I got from Hobby Lobby. This basket did not cost me more than $20. The basket actually was used for Easter last year. I just decided to reuse the bucket because the way I look at getting like Easter baskets for the kids is doing it homeschool style, getting stuff that can help them learn about the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Hobby Lobby has their 40% off of all Easter sales. They do this with all of their seasonal decor, so I went in there one day and for all of my kids I got everything for less than $20. So let's go ahead and dig into the box. The first two things I actually got were thrifted. Found these at my local thrift store. This is just some Easter window stickers. My kids love decorating the windows. And then I got this shaken egg coloring kit. Again, I found it at the thrift store for super cheap, so I figured why not? Everything is intact. And then we got little sippy cups. They were always needing more sippy cups. There's never not a time where we could use more. So for super cheap, I got them nice cute little Easter cups, and I know they're gonna love these. Then I had some gift bags in my gift closet. They're little princess ones. They don't really go with the bucket, but they're cute. The color scheme is fun, so I figured why not. And I added a few individual things. All of my kids are sharing these, so nothing is for one kid in particular. I just thought they were cute divided up in bags. But in each of the bags, I put in little crosses that they can paint on. Each of the little bags has an activity pad with various puzzles, coloring pages, letter learning. Just cute little items that I feel like would be great for my kids. They are learning some preschool right now, so just some fun little items. There's connect the dots, and I thought it was fun just for what we're doing right now. Because everything's so simple, the kids are young still, they don't need a whole heck of a lot of elaborate things. Then I thought this was cute. I found a little Easter tic-tac-toe game. They love tic-tac-toe. It's a great game for them to play together, and it's Easter themed. Again, I love it. And then the last item that I got here is an egg coloring kit. I feel like it's just, again, all adds to the Easter fun, artsy craftsy stuff, and they love to color. So that is everything I got in my Easter box. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, and hit that subscribe button if that is what you're into, and if that is not what you're into, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you. Anyway, I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.